Good solid advice about how to make money online that anyone can use. What it takes to do well in online business is knowledge, determination, and perseverance. If you have these latter two qualities, then knowledge is all you need to add to your arsenal. The ideas in this video will guide you through the process of learning how to make money online. Always keep a watchful eye out for scam alerts. Although there may be a lot of opportunities on how to make money online, some may not be good. Look for reviews of potential plans before making any agreements. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure, and see what others have to say about it first. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. Now that you know how to make money online, your next step is to implement your new knowledge. Set forth and be determined to turn your skills into something profitable. If you work hard enough, you'll have no problem making money online every day that you sit down and work. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.